You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word, but so useful in English. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll definitely want to hear and listen to and learn from. The Z's, British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Let's break it down. The or D. The first syllable is more commonly pronounced as D in British English in particular. The Z's. The two S's are pronounced like Z or Z with the Z sound, alright? It's not disease, alright? That would be a different word. Disease. Stress on the Z's syllable. Disease. Disease. British English. Now the Americans say it more often as disease with a D sound, a schwa sound. But both pronunciations are correct. How to pronounce disease or disease. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.